Putang inang kawawa na tayo. Pero nandito tayo. God, nandito tayong lahat. Fishing for evidence so that we can demolish a family that is a threat to our personal being. We are wasting time. This country should be working on being competitive, jumping to middle income, aspiring to be a first world economy. What the fuck are we doing? We're doing nothing at all. Magkano ang dalan? Nasaan ang remittance ng mga OFW na inaasahan lagi ng gobyerno na hindi naman dapat? We're wasting time as a nation, as a people. We made a mistake with that fucking Marcos. And we are wasting time. Yes, anong tanong mo?
Naniniwala po ba kayong tatayuan ng TOA ang kanilang mandato or eventually, sorry for the term, ilalaglag din nila kayo eventually?
Ma'am, I told you, diba? Ay, review niyo yung review niyo yung hearing. Yung hearing kanina. Ay, nung last hearing. Yung tinanong si Kowa. Oh, Kowa. So, ano po, apelido nun, I don't remember. Diba? Gusto mo rin magtrabaho? Diba? Gusto mo rin magtrabaho? Yes! I need to work on the notice of suspension. I have a video of Cordova talking shit about me and Yusek Lopez.
So po, in House of Representatives Award again.
Actually, sila lang ang working together and lahat ng taong bayan are just parang playthings to the rich. They don't care. They don't care about you. Wala.
Ngayon, alas na ako din natin pagdating ng correspondent ng public association or
Well, I really do not know right now what will happen to her. We just trust that the doctors know what they are doing, and then we entrust to them her healthcare plan. So, kung ano yung gusto ng doctor, kung ano yung gusto ng nanay, yun yung susundin namin. As I said kanina, hindi mo siya makausap but she answered some questions of the doctor. Pero hindi lahat din. And then, pag kami yung kumakausap sa kanya, hindi siya nagsasalita and really, I'm worried kasi kanina din, inano niya yung ballpen pa. Ginaganyan niya yung ballpen. Sinabihan namin siya, sinabi niya sa amin na ayoko na ito, make this stop. And I will stop this. Mga ganyan na mga And she already said her piece kanina before she started vomiting. She said her piece. Parang she doesn't feel safe. And she's astounded by the lack of rules. She is astounded by the assault to democracy. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Vicky.